real. Floods killed 1,000 people in Chad. But now, when I tell you that 247 people have lost their homes, 345 hectares of farmland are ruined. This has put the food supply at risk. This is not a lie. It is according to United Nations Office of Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs reports. In this video, you will get to know the reason behind these disasters, the effects, the measures of the floods in Chad. Make sure you stick with us from the beginning to the end to get interacted. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before we continue. Climatic change is becoming an intense problem, especially in West Africa. When it comes to the rainy season, it is causing massive destruction, as well as in the sunny season, it is very hot. But let us talk about the situation in Chad, where at the beginning of this month, it was affected by the floods and heavy rainfall. Floods in Chad are primarily caused by a combination of rainfall, inadequate drainage infrastructure, and overflow rivers, particularly the Chali and Logone rivers. These floods are exacerbated by the climatic change, leading to the intense and unpredictable rainfall pattern. Deforestation and poor management practices also contribute to the soil erosion, reducing water absorption and worsening the flood condition. The effects of these floods are devastating, displacing thousands of people, destroying homes, crops, and infrastructure, and leading to the outbreak of waterborne diseases due to the contamination of water sources. The economic impact is severe, with a loss of livelihood, especially to those reliant on agriculture. But where there is a problem, there is a solution. Solution includes by improving drainage system, implementing sustainable land management practices, reforestation, and construction of flood defense such as levees. Additionally, enhancing early warning system and community preparedness can help mitigate the impact of future floods. International collaboration and investment in climatic resilient initiative is also crucial in addressing these underlying causes and effects of floods in Chad. The floods will come, but the damage doesn't have to be so bad. By taking an action now, we can make next year different. Together we can save lives, home, and the future.